Hello and welcome to Simplified Safety. My name is Julian Adams, and today we're going to be talking about the KeeGuard rooftop guardrail system. I'm going to give you a closer look into some of its individual components so that you can have a better understanding of how this system will help you keep your people safe. The first thing that you'll notice about these uprights is that they come pre-assembled. The saddles are set at 42 inches and at 21 inches, which are the code requirements for the top and the mid rail. The other thing that you'll know about this is that these saddles are installed using a set screw, which allows for flexibility of design. We can loosen the set screw and slide this down, and this will allow us to install infill panels depending on different code requirements you'll need to meet in your area. So speaking of the saddle fitting, you'll notice that the top of it is open. This makes installation much easier. All you have to do is just drop the rail right into the saddle, tighten the set screw down to 29 foot-pounds, and you're good to go. Another component on the upright is the boot. So this boot will connect the post and the counterbalance together using these 4 set screws. The bottom of it also has a rubber base so that this way your roof is protected from the metal edges on the boot itself. And with these dimples on the bottom, this will allow water to flow through it so it's less likely to have water pool up underneath the post. On the back of it, you'll see this metal plate, and this can come with the boot to allow you to attach toeboard as code requires. Also on the back, you'll notice another set screw, and this is what we use to tilt that post up to 11 degrees, giving you more of an aesthetic choice. With all the fittings, we attach them together using set screws. The set screws just use an Allen key and a torque wrench that you'll torque down to 29 foot-pounds, and that is it. It's really simple and straightforward. No welding's required, and there's no specialized labor required. All of the fittings and pipe that we use are hot dip galvanized, so that means that the galvanization's on the inside and on the outside, allowing you to have a good long life on this system. It's important that what we provide to you is going to keep your people safe and keep them safe for a long time to come. Thank you for stopping by today. If you have questions, please reach out to one of our safety consultants, and we would love to talk to you about how this system can help keep your people safe. Until then, have a safe day.